Hi, to turn on and off always on display on the Honor Magic 7 Lite, just find an open phone settings and from here choose home screen and style tab. After that, you should simply select always on display by tapping it. And as a first step, we need to decide whether we wanna enable it or disable. If disable, then tap on blue switcher so it will become gray. If enable, then tap for it to become blue like that. After that, we can go in display mode and here pick one of the three options, either tap to show, scheduled, or all day. But please note that AOD is not available when the battery is lower than 10%. For example, let's choose scheduled, and here we can set start point when AOD will turn on and when it will turn off. Or you can switch to all day or tap to show. Let's go back to save changes. And now we can pick any option from the list as our AOD style. And if you want to set your own photo as always on display, then tap here on images. Tap again and you'll need to pick any photo from the gallery and then tap to select it. But for now, let's pick something else. For example, this one. And we can also switch to different style. Or in this one, we can change layout and color palette, just like this. I'm gonna pick this one and set this AOD by tapping button apply. Now let's check it. I'm gonna lock my phone and tap to show. So here it is, always on display. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.